Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So I am doing for the sign Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see, this is general reading. Sagittarius, let's see your recent past first. Ace of Wands, Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords. I think in recent past some cycles are going to be are ended between you and your person, because Ten of Swords and Eight of Swords, definitely your connection is stuck in recent past. Right now also there is no contact or less contact between both of you, because Ten of Swords is Eight of Swords. I think you both are waiting for new beginning with each other, or one person waiting for new beginning in this connection. Because Ace of Wands with Ten of Swords sometimes refers to rebirth. Definitely one person want passionate new beginning with you. It could be you or your person, but your recent past, definitely there is stuck. Your connection is in stuck, or you are in stuck, you both are in stuck, or there is no contact or less contact between both of you, but you both are waiting for passionate new beginning. You're in your connection recent past. Definitely for some there is also started new beginning. For some it is going to be happen. For some there is cycles ending, Ten of Swords. Some new cycles are going to be begin. So Ace of Wands, yeah, waiting for the passionate new beginning. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely there is stuck. I think you are stuck, or your person may be stuck in this connection, but you both are waiting for passionate new beginning. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Sagittarius. Eight of Cups. Separation. Temperance, your card, Sagittarius. Hangman. Yes, I already told you, stuck. Definitely you both are stuck. You both are thinking about each other a lot, or one person is spiritual awakening, or you both could be spiritual awakening in this connection. Yeah, Temperance, it's your card, Sagittarius. Definitely patience and balance is needed in this connection. There is no patience and balance in this connection right now. So yeah, Eight of Cups, I think one person is walked away from this connection. It could be you or your person. I think it could be you, because there is no equal give and take, or for any other reason, definitely there is some separation between both of you. One person is walked away. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But you stand by your power. You are waiting for your time. Temperance, patiently, you are waiting patiently. And definitely there is some hand movement. You could be spiritual awakening, or your person could be spiritually awakening right now. Let's see some more regarding what is going on your connection. Yeah, the Star, Two of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, so you or your person could be Aquarius also. One person is at some crossroads in this connection. They have to make decision. Two of Swords, they don't know which decision they are going to be make. Definitely they have to make some decision. And Seven of Pentacles, one person invest in this connection more than the other person. That is the issue. I think it could be you, Sagittarius. You invest a lot in this connection. That's why you walked away, because there is no equal give and take in this connection. But still you both are hoping for this connection. Star, I think your person seeing you like as this star. Definitely you both are wishing for new beginnings, I am getting, because Ace of Wands with the Star. Definitely there is a chance for new beginnings, but patience and balance is needed, because right now you both are stuck. Hangman and Eight of Swords. But some cycles are already ended, or if it is not, it is going to be ended, and some new cycles are going to be begin. So this is your recent past and your connection. Let's see your person current feelings and their actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. So Sagittarius, your person current feelings towards you first. Your person current feelings towards you. Okay. Justice, Wow, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Yeah. Justice. Your person wants second chance with you, Sagittarius. Justice, Libra. Some communication. They want to offer some communication and they want to communicate you. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer long-term commitment. Their current feelings. Definitely communication, truth coming out. They want to tell something to you. Yeah. Communication. I think your person want to communicate this time honestly. In past they couldn't. Queen of Swords, sorry, King of Swords, King of Swords. Definitely, they want to. I think communication is the key here because they want to express their feelings to you. Definitely, they want second chance. They want to work on this relationship because Ace of Pentacles means long-term commitment. They want to offer long-term commitment. Yeah. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Three of Swords, Ten of Swords, 2 times Ten of Swords in your reading. Ten of Wands, yeah, they are very heartbroken right now, Sagittarius. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest because this is general reading. Yeah. Ten of Wands with Ten of Swords, definitely they are feeling overburdened due to any reason or while they are thinking about you, they are feeling overburdened because they are missing you, because there is separation between both of you. And yeah, Three of Swords, definitely they are heartbroken without you, they are thinking about you a lot. And Ten of Swords, definitely some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Your person also want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords, but they are feeling very burdened, overburdened. Yeah, they are so. I think in action there is no action cards. They are willing new beginning between both of you, but definitely they will call you because Libra, a Justice card and Queen of Swords, communication. Yes, some communication you will receive from your person, and definitely they are heartbroken without you. They missing you so much. Yeah, Sagittarius, your person missing you so much. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. See, the Lovers, Knight of Wands, Ten of Cups. Wow. Wow, see, Four of Wands. Okay, yeah. There is love between both of you. The Lovers card is here. You or your person could be Gemini. And Four of Wands, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Lot of fire energy. And air energy also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy is also here. Definitely, if you are waiting for reconciliation with your person, definitely it is going to be happen because in connection cards, Ten of Cups with Four of Wands. Definitely there is reconciliation. Definitely you both want this with each other. Yeah, you both want reconciliation with each other. Four of Wands with Ten of Cups. Definitely there is reconciliation and you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, the Lovers and Knight of Wands. Definitely they are very passionate about you, Sagittarius. You both are passionate about you. The Lovers card is here. Definitely you both love each other. There is no, you both love one. You both love one another. There is no about it. There is no doubt about it. Because the Lovers card is here and Knight of Wands. You both are very passionate about each other. Yeah, there is, if you are waiting for reconciliation, it is going to be happen. And yeah, Ten of Swords, definitely your person, they're missing you so much. They want you back and they want second chance, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Eight of Pentacles, Three of Wands, yeah, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you are working on your career and finances. Definitely you are working because 8 to 9, you already worked on this relationship. You walked away. Now you are working on yourself. Even though you are wishing for this connection, definitely you are now concentrating on your career wise. And Three of Wands, definitely this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, you are waiting for your person to come towards you. Yeah, you are not going to make any move first. This time you are waiting for your person to come towards you turning your back. Yeah, definitely you are working towards your career and finance, then you will become like this. Yeah, very good energy for you, Sagittarius. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ten of Pentacles, Three of Cups, the Empress. Yeah, definitely they want reconciliation with you. Three of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. Definitely your person is also stand by their power. And Ten of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer stability to this connection this time. Definitely they want second chance, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.